Shincho my sisters today. We're going to go design a dress. A middle-aged dress ha. As you can see, this pattern will be broken in the chest. But with this model, I'll change the V. It's a little higher. Also keep the form. Or we'll have a catch across to cover up if you don't like to wear it. And here it is. If your hand is right down here, it will have an indentation for the hand part. And the dress here is a leg-length maxi dress. Now we're going to design this template together. With this model, I'll take the shoulder, neck, chest, waist, butt, and long waist. According to this metric, if my sisters are, each person will have a different size. LMXE to X3X ha. The whole family will measure it. We will change the black number next to this. And now, well, we're going to start designing. In this case, you will get a length. Take the length, I'll take the length. Your own body height. You'll get it up here. After I get the length, then you'll draw yourself a horizontal line perpendicular. I'm going to take out the waist. At the waist, this will be the waist. Shoulder to shoulder is equal to split shoulder. Shoulder here, his 3 2 divided 2 is equal to 16. You took 16. Then lower your shoulders for 4 inches. If we take her, we will divide her by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I took 6. Then I'll take the lower chest. Chest reduction is equal to chest divided by 5 sisters plus 2 is equal to 80. Divide 5 plus 2 and we get 18. You take down 18. To build a perpendicular line through. And then the chest, you take the chest. Divide 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. Then I'll take the lower part. Lower the waist by the measure ha and take through the waist. The waist is equal to the waist divided by 4. Me is R1. 64 divided by 4 plus 1 is 17. I took over 17. Then I'll get the lower butt. Take your S down and you're 18. Perpendicular form. Then you get your ass divided by 4. You add 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. Take over to 2. I'll connect this road. Connect it to the waist. Then go to your ass. And these dresses are cigars that you take out. Cho M. If you have the cloth, you can take it from here. 40 to 50 ha. And then we're going to get the skirt here. And then this is the sleeve. It's the sleeve. You're going to push this arm out. And it's going to start right here on the shoulder. It has a length for you. It's a paragraph from this head and shoulders. I'll give you 10. This part here is 10. And from here is the original roll, you're up 1. I just painted with this 10. Then you build a perpendicular line. From here, that's the line across the chest. You go down 3 inches and we'll go the curve. Then we'll get the shoulder. with the armpits here. Here, you'll get me 3 inches. Let me paint her. Then the part. The heart of this neck, you will. Here, give me 5 cents. Then we'll paint the heart. It goes down like this, ladies. And then you guys. If you don't wear them, you can be. From here, it's 11. If you pass by, we will have a pinch here with ice cream. Let's do that. And if it's true, this part of it will come out. And in another case, if you guys want to, is that we have our own patch here, then you can be. Adjust your neck. Down here is 12. Then you'll draw the dotted line. I painted. It depends. I changed this a little bit. Let any of you like it. Wear this too, but her neck is deep. Then you draw the dotted line here. And if you still want her deep, go this way. And if you want to change the style, I will add this piece. Either way. Let's finish the body first. And the previous body, it's got another one right here in this place. Then you come down. Give me 3 gas. Then we're going to take a curve. Then you give me the waist here. Then we will break the waist here, ladies. And we're going to sew this piece down. Finish the body first. Now to the back. The body later, you push it up. Come up here and give me 2 parts. And then here's the waist. Give me your ass. 1 more gasoline. Then we'll get the back here. And the body later, we'll paint the neck. Here, down to gas, we get the back neck. And then after that, we've drawn the body first. And then I'll cut it. And remember to note, the part I recommend is that there is no seam. You have to leave the seams. Here we cut. You get the front and back together here. Now to the back. You're right to cut this way. What to do with the body after all is this. Located below. And this will be the back of this dress. The body after this, ladies. 1 because this is a double fold fabric. And now we're going to take the front piece down here. The towel first. Suppose you want to adjust the old part this way, you cut this way. I cut this way. I adjusted my neck and you cut into the crosswalk. So that we're going to get the body first. And this part of the waist and this part of the ass. Then we cut 1 gas. Is because my front body is that it has hips with buttocks. Then you cut it down. Then you will get the part. Body before like this. And this previous body, it's going to have a way of falling apart. You guys have to pay this way. And you sew this line into it. If the body first, just like the pattern, it will slightly retract on the body. So this way, you're going to cut it in half, but the upper part of you. And we're going to slightly open this part up to you for 7 petrometer and we sew. Attract the puddle and we join this road. And now the last one is the sleeve. With that sleeve, ladies, it's going to have a detached arm outside, but it's going to start from this road. And this arm that goes outside, it goes outside, but it's going to have a drawback. So you'll cross it off. Look through. I'll cut this. You can see this hand from here with the previous hand, and I'm going to add this to it. Is 10 of gasoline. I'll raise 10. Then you'll be able to pull this way in. You will also be able to draw the same, and you combine that with the lace. Here, 10 petrol is the upper part. It's going to be the fabric in half and this part in your hand. And this part is broken to sew the thread in, then we will. If you cut it like this, you will get the old part. The whole body in front of the back for us to sew clothes. Now I'm going to talk about how to be lucky. Let the sisters imagine. The first one is when you put the part. If you tie it on the cloth, you will expand this. I opened it up so that I lucky to hit this road. Then you sew into the curve. The other thing is that you'll sew it in the neck. Or if you want to close this section, open it. Cut this out so we can clip the part. Cover it so it doesn't open up. That's according to the original model. As for the pattern that I am drawing, you will sew the edges. After this is done, you will order the part. The back of the shoulder. If you come in, we will open it. Open it. Then when it's finished, we'll start sewing. Here we cut the fabric in half. So you'll withdraw them. This part of the hand, you're in the body. When it's done, I've sewn the withdrawal part on the shirt. This hand it will be sewn in. The last one is the first one. My back is so lucky. And finally, you will. Lucky for the part. From the bottom of the sew up. And look through the hand, Then we sew lace into our hands and you tear it up. Fortunately for the latter part. So we're done for this dress. It may be very simple, but wearing this fabric, it's going to cool and comfortable, ladies. Then I just finished sharing it with the whole family. Good luck to your family, thank you and Shincho.